Creamy smoked salmon pasta. Get ready to indulge in a culinary delight that combines the richness of creamy sauce with the delicate flavors of smoked salmon in a mouthwatering pasta dish. Creamy smoked salmon pasta is not just a meal, it's a symphony of textures and flavors that will elevate your dining experience to new heights. This recipe serves 4 people, making it perfect for a cozy dinner with loved ones or a special occasion that calls for gourmet flair. Ingredients: 8 ounces, about 225 grams, fettuccine or your favorite pasta. 4 ounces smoked salmon, thinly sliced or chopped. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 cup heavy cream. Half cup grated Parmesan cheese. Salt and black pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh dill, plus extra for garnish. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Lemon zest for garnish. Optional: capers, thinly sliced red onions, or peas for added flavor and color. Instructions: cook the pasta according to the package instructions in a pot of salted boiling water until al dente. Reserve about half cup of pasta cooking water before draining the pasta. Set aside. In a large skillet, heat olive oil and butter over medium heat until the butter melts and starts to sizzle. Add minced garlic to the skillet and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to let it brown. Pour in the heavy cream, stirring continuously to combine with the garlic and butter. Let the cream simmer gently for 2 to 3 minutes to thicken slightly. Gradually add grated Parmesan cheese to the cream sauce, stirring constantly until the cheese melts and the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Add the chopped fresh dill and lemon juice to the sauce, stirring to incorporate the flavors. Toss the cooked pasta into the creamy sauce, coating the noodles evenly. If the sauce is too thick, gradually add some of the reserved pasta cooking water to achieve your desired consistency. Gently fold in the smoked salmon slices or chunks, ensuring they are distributed throughout the pasta without breaking apart. Optional: add capers, sliced red onions, or peas at this stage for extra flavor and visual appeal. Cook for another minute or until the salmon is heated through. Remove the skillet from heat and garnish the creamy smoked salmon pasta with additional chopped dill and lemon zest for a burst of freshness. Why you'll love it. Creamy smoked salmon pasta is a celebration of luxurious flavors and textures that come together harmoniously. The cream sauce infused with garlic, Parmesan cheese, and dill creates a velvety coating for the pasta, ensuring each bite is indulgent and satisfying. The addition of smoked salmon adds a delightful smokiness and a burst of protein-rich goodness to the dish. This recipe not only impresses with its elegant presentation but also with its ease of preparation. It's perfect for both weeknight dinners when you want something special without spending hours in the kitchen and for entertaining guests with a gourmet touch. Subscribe to our channel for more gourmet recipes, cooking tips, and culinary inspirations that bring restaurant-quality flavors to your home kitchen. Elevate your cooking repertoire and delight your taste buds with every dish.